Hello everyone, now we are doing the troubleshooting lab 3. So what we will do here, same scenario we have two switch 1 and switch 2, and we have two PC. The same thing, same scenario, we have VLAN 100. Here also I think I configure VLAN 100. So we have VLAN 100 both the side, and this is belongs to IT guy or any department, you can say HR, IT, anything. This guy is unable to communicate with this guy. Your manager told you go and check and fix this issue. So same thing you will ask the user when you face this issue, did you change anything before that one? When you have this issue, you will check basic same question you will repeat, and then you will check if this PC is having IP or not, this PC is having IP or not, LAN card is good, Ethernet card is good, Ethernet cable is good, it is connected or not. Here you this port any error, this port is having any error, do we have the trunk here or not, and the trunk protocol here should be same, not the different. Whatever we learned till now, we will check that one. So let's verify. So first I will take the console of this switch, this one, and we will verify do we have the IP or not. It is off or what? It is. Let me open and close. It is already open. This is a PC one. Let me close and open again. So now I will open this. This is a console of the PC one. So now I want to verify I have IP or not in the machine one. Where is the putty software? This one. So I will do little small here. So now I will write here show IP. So I have the IP, yeah, 192.168.1.1. here whatever label here, same IP I have. So let me take the console of the PC2. We will go here and we will verify. Here we have already IP. Here we can see show IP, same network, so they should communicate. Let's see they are working or not. Here we check. Let me write show IP here. Let me ping 192.168.1.2. They are not working. They are working. Just now they are not working, right? Now they started working. So what was the issue before, and now it is fixed. We have one issue here. 192.168.1.1. Maybe the configuration is not safe here. So anyhow, let me create the issue. Let me stop this. So now if you see, this machine is unable to ping the other machine. This is a PC1 is unable to ping the other machine. So what we done, same thing we will check here. For the PC1 to PC2 we will verify. Let me verify here again, and it is not working, and we are going to do the some configuration here. So here it is not working. Both guys are unable to communicate. So we check, we have the IP address, everything is good. Now we will go here in the switch. So what we will do here in the switch, we will write here show VLAN brief. We have the VLAN here 100, this one, and this interface is there, that is E0 by 1. And if you go here to this VLAN, we will have this interface also here. Let me write show VLAN brief. So you have this interface also in the VLAN here. So now anyone can tell me what is the issue, why they are unable to ping, why this guy is unreachable. They have the IP address, they have the same network ID, and they have the VLAN, and they have the interface also in that particular VLAN. If you see here, can anyone say what is the issue, why they are unable to communicate?
Trunking.
Yeah, let's verify we have trunking or not. Because if you see here, this one, it is in the VLAN 100, this one, and this one also in the VLAN 100, and by default all the Cisco switch port is in the VLAN 1. So if I did not create trunk, then this will be in the VLAN 1. If it is in the VLAN 1, then we cannot forward the traffic. Traffic will not go from the VLAN 100 to VLAN 1. It will not go. So maybe here we don't have trunk. That's why we have the issue. So we can verify. We can verify that one. So what we can do, we can write here show interface trunk. If you see, we don't have any trunk here. That's why we are unable to communicate. So what we will do, we will make the trunk. How we will make the trunk? We will go interface E0 by 0 and then we will write switch port trunk encapsulation dot 1q and then switch port mode trunk. So with this one we make the trunk. If we check here, show interface trunk, now it will work. If you see here, what we are getting here, show interface, I wrote show interface trunk. So this is a port is trunk on mode. We are using 802.1q trunking encapsulation, that one, and this is a trunk. And if you see, all the VLAN from 1 to 100 is allow in the this as a, they will allow in this trunk port. So now what we can do, we can check now, because if we configure this interface as a trunk, automatically this is going to become as a trunk. So no need to do that one, but in real scenario do both the side. Now we will ping. So it is working. So what we learn in the troubleshooting lab 3, we don't have the trunk here. We don't have trunk here. So we need to create the trunk here because we are carrying the VLAN 100 traffic. By default, all the interface is in the VLAN 1. And if we see here in the switch, here interface we can check here. We are writing show VLAN brief. If you see here, how you can identify, you can see here you have the interface E0 by 0. If you see here, you don't have E0 by 0 here in the VLAN 1. Okay. If you see this interface E0 by 1, this is a E0 by 1. This interface is in the VLAN 100. But this interface is missing here, means it should be in the trunk or maybe somewhere different place. So we can see, by seeing this one, we can say maybe we have trunk. But if you see before here, when we type here like this one, that interface is in the VLAN 1. This one, this is E0 by 0. Okay. So if you see this one, E0 by 0 is in VLAN 1. So by seeing this one, you can say this interface is not in the trunk. So that's why we have the issue. So we need to put that interface in the trunk. So when we put that interface in the trunk, it this PC start working with this PC. How we put? If we are having the layer 3, then we will write switch port mode trunk. But if you are not having the layer 2 we have, then we will write this. If we have layer 3, we need to write first thing switch port trunk encapsulation dot 1q encapsulation dot 1q. These two command we need to write. So this lab is done. With that one, let me stop.